Dear church family, I hope you and your families are doing well. A little bit of good news is that the COVID-19 cases, death, and hospitalizations continue to go down. This is a very hopeful sign that someday soon we will return to indoor services. Even though the cases continue to decline, there is still a fear that the variants that are being discovered might disrupt the positive achievements that we have received so far.
Cases, hospitalizations, and deaths have fallen over the past month, but dangerous variants are the latest threat to our shared recovery. There are now nearly 1,000 cases of the more contagious strains found in the UK, South Africa, and Brazil. They've spread now to at least 35 states. Health experts say the key to getting ahead of the spread is vaccinating as many people as soon as possible. More than 33 million Americans have received at least one dose of a coronavirus vaccine, and more than 10 million have received 2 doses.
In California, a site is dedicated to vaccinating those with limited access.
And I just feel like I'm more protected if I take a vaccine, and I'm not going to put anybody else at risk.
And there is promising news on double masking. The CDC now says wearing a medical mask under a cloth mask substantially improved containment of COVID-19 and can also protect the wearer from infection.
These experiments from the CDC were remarkable, and they showed that if you wear 2 masks and they're well fitted, that's the key thing, that you can have more than 95% protection from the aerosols that you otherwise might get.
But just as all these are happening, the Supreme Court ordered that California cannot completely ban indoor services. What that means is that we can return indoor services with some restrictions.
Indoor singing and chanting is still off limits. The governor's office said in a statement, in part, we will continue to enforce the restrictions the Supreme Court left in place, and after reviewing the decision, we will issue revised guidelines for worship services to continue to protect the lives of Californians.
For this reason, the COVID-19 task force is putting together a plan so that we can return to worship indoors safely. I'm looking forward to seeing you sometime soon